Jackie, say hi. Say hi.
Slowing down to hold my hand. Richer than 100 grand. You're worth every second I could spend. Don't know what the future holds, but we'll always have our songs, and you'll always have a person to call home. It's all out.
Happy birthday, baby!
Today is the day, Ella's first birthday celebration, and also known as Doljanchi in Korean. Dol means birthday and chanchi means party or feast. So you put it together and it means birthday party. This ceremony blesses the child with a prosperous future and has great significance in Korea. It is totally normal to have a small get-together at your house with your loved ones, or have a slightly bigger party like today. Even though Ella will not remember this day, Grace and Kevin wanted to make sure Ella could look back at pictures and videos to know that she was loved even from the start. This day, with the help of Ella's aunts and uncles, we prepare for this Doljanchi. Kevin actually built the torsang, the table where everything goes on, and also the backdrop. He spent so much time and energy and money on this backdrop, but it turned out so beautiful. I mean, come on. He literally brought Grace's vision to life. To give you guys some background on Doljanchi, in Korea it has great significance, like I said earlier, because in the past, the death rates for children were so high, and many children died before their first birthday. This is why this day was an important milestone for the baby and the parents. The whole village used to celebrate a baby's first birthday, sharing food and wishing for long life and fortune. We made sure Ella got plenty of sleep and food inside of her so she would be in a good mood, which she was, luckily. Ella, if you're watching this right now and you're old enough to understand what Emo is saying, I wanted to say that you were, are, and will forever be loved. So many people are praying for you. Your parents love you so much, and your family just adores you. I pray that you grow up to be strong, confident, compassionate, and wise. You are one of the biggest blessings to us, so we hope that you become a blessing to everyone around you. Okay, Emo's gonna stop here before this turns into a crying session. Okay, so pretty much setup is done, and we'll go straight into the detail shots. This is going to be a woodland theme since it matched perfectly for her fall birthday. And for those of you guys that don't know, Ella is actually half Chinese and half Korean. In order to incorporate her Chinese culture, we added mooncakes to the torsang.
That I want to carve out our names, board a last minute plane, just us two. We can chase the sun as it sets in the mountains. Find luck like a bet in Greek fountains, or lay lazy in bed with your head on my chest. I hope you don't mind if I say that I love you. Every day another I do, 'cause you know I do, I do. I do. I hope you can hear every note that my heart sings.
Ella is now going to be wearing her Korean traditional dress called hanbok for the first half of the event. And then she will change for her smash cake later on.
Company swells and heartstrings. There's a place deep in our hearts where it matters. We can stay there forever and after. Written in stars right above where we are. I hope you don't mind if I say that I love you. Every day another I do, 'cause you know I do, I do. I do.
she's gonna grab a couple of things, so there might be multiple winners.
Uncle Juno was the MC for today, and we move on to Doljabi. This is the highlight to the event because it's a tradition where the child is placed in front of various items, where they grab an item or two, and each option represents a certain future or career of the child. For example, we have a gavel to represent a lawyer, money for wealth, yarn for long life. We have a golf ball to represent an athlete, and the list goes on. So everyone that came cast a vote on what they thought Ella would pick. Let's see a sneak preview of what Ella will become in the future. Wow, I cannot believe she actually picked the golf ball. We have a future LPGA player and Uncle Chino is so happy. Then we ended the celebration with a smash cake.
Okay, everyone. Last but not least, we're gonna do Ella's cake smash. So we're gonna have a cake. We're gonna put it in front of Ella. We're gonna watch her smash it.
Ready? Sugar high.
Ella, hit it. She's like, I just want to eat this. I know.
Ella is usually a wild one, but for some reason she was being extra gentle with the cake. Kind of weird. Overall, I felt the love everyone had for Ella this day. Thank you to everyone who came out and for every hand that helped out with this event. Thank you for supporting, loving, and praying for Ella. We love you, family and friends.
Carve out our names, board a last minute plane, just us two. We can chase the sun as it sets